Ooh, I'm in focus already. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Asia here if this is your first time to my channel. If it's not your first time, welcome back. Today, this is going to be full face. I'm going to be showing you how I did my foundation, how I turn my regular face into the Asia White face. Ciao. I'm gonna quit talking. I used some products that I literally just said I'm gonna quit talking. Okay, I'm gonna continue talking and then I'm gonna stop talking. I used a couple of palettes. The main palette that I used was the Carity Picante palette, and then I used like one color from Makeup Shayla's Perception palette by ColourPop, one color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Face, Yenza Beauty. Of course, because it's just so good. Yeah, just everything else is gonna be in the description box. I'm gonna stop talking because y'all know I will rattle on and on and on and on and on, and I'll be back after the face. Alrighty, let's start out by prepping these brows. Well, really, it's not like, I mean, this is kind of like a 2-in-1 step because it's prepping my brows and it's also prepping my lid space. I just want to let you guys know though, my videos are pre-recorded. So this was recorded a couple of weeks back and I do my whole face routine completely different. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I do because there's a couple of steps that are in my face routine now that I really want to show you guys. So, but let's just finish with this. Like, you know, once you start to like get this down, then the next step, the next few like face routines that you see me do in the next few videos that are coming, you're gonna be like, oh, okay. I'll point them out though. Anyways, so I'm starting out with that Carity palette, and oh, it's such a pretty palette. Like, look at how pretty that is. And really what I'm doing is I'm just pressing the colors, like laying the colors where I want them to go. And I really try to, make it a point to show you guys the brushes that I'm using. So you'll see me kind of just show the brush before I place it on my eye. And this one I thought was a really important brush, not this one, the one that I was using to lay down that orange color, because it was much smaller. I got it from NYX, or NYX sent it over, or NYX, I'm not sure. NYX, I'm just gonna say NYX. They sent that brush over and I just love it for when I want the eyeshadow to be concentrated in and around my crease area and not go too far up. Yeah, so it's just a nice brush. And that brush that I was using a second ago was Sonia Kashuk. So good. I swear, like, Sonia Kashuk is in Target. Go and get her brushes. I use a lot of her brushes, a lot of her products. This brush right here is from Carity. Carity actually makes really good brushes too, and I like it for placing the eyeshadow on the lid space. Now here you'll see that there's this like line of demarcation between that shimmer color and then that burgundy color, and what I'm doing with the brush that I have is just buffing out that hard line so that there's no hard line. And I'm like picking up a very light amount of product just to give it a more blended look because it wasn't blending out like I wanted it to. But you just go in and you blend, and if you feel like you're losing color, you add that color back. It's just a process, and I'm kind of going back and forth between both eyes to make sure that both of the eyes are even. So you'll see that as I'm doing it, that harsh line that was there before is not going to be there any longer. All right, this black, I really feel like blacks are so, for some reason, blacks are so difficult for brands to create. I think that this black is from the Anastasia Subculture palette, or that palette. I talked about it in the video. So it's from the Anastasia palette, and it's a really good black. I've tried blacks from other brands, and it's like the blacks just kind of turn into a smoky gray. Well, I guess gray is a smoky color, but then you do a smoky eye with black. Anyways, it turns into like a blown out gray color, and I don't like it. I like to blow out the black and it still look black. And so I really like this color for that because it is very pigmented. And with most of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, a little bit goes a really long way. I was actually kind of scared when I picked up as much as I did. I was like, oh no. because black can go really wrong really fast and you'll look like a really bad raccoon. I'm going back in between the brushes and just blending out the harsh lines. I don't want any harsh edges, so you'll see me go through and do that. I mean, sometimes I might wear harsh edges, but I feel like that's more like when you're doing something that's like editorial, or like, you know what I mean? Like you're trying to have a crisp, sharp line like that. I'm not trying to do that. Not with this look. So I'm just going through and I'm blending it. And I stayed using that brush just because I still, like I said, I wanted it concentrated in and around the crease area. And I wanted there to be some sort of separation between my brow and my crease. This Rimmel mascara is bomb. I have talked about it like over and over and over again. I'm not even kidding, y'all. It makes my lashes look amazing, and somehow it is stolen out of my house. I don't even know what happened to it, where it went, who took it, because my mom and my sister hasn't been here. So it's got to be Honor or one of my friends. I don't know. It's gone. But I'm going to go get some more because that mascara is bomb. Brows are like so important. I mean, in the face routine that I do now, y'all, like I don't even do my brows first. I think I do them last, and I do my base first. I know, y'all, I've been converted. I do foundation first now, and I do brows last. I can't even believe I'm saying that. What happened? What happened to me? I can't even say enough how amazing Benefit Cosmetics is for my brows. There is nothing like it. I don't care what your mother says. I don't care what your aunt says. I don't care what your sister says. They're liars. Listen to me. Go out and get Benefit for your brows. That's all I'm saying. Precisely My Brow, goof proof, and then make sure you get the 24-hour brow setting stuff too. Gel stuff, fibers, something. It's amazing. What always finishes an eye look for me is, I think I just poked myself in the eye. What always finishes up an eye look for me, like, is the waterline. The waterline should never be forgotten or overlooked because it seems like such a small part of your eye look, but it does a whole lot when you accent it with some beautiful colors. Face, y'all, Yenza. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so let's look. Let's watch. I'm using a lot of foundation right here. Like, it don't make no sense to have that much foundation. I think I just pumped out a whole pump and wasn't even like paying attention. I don't even need that much foundation on my face. Like, this is crazy. I'm kind of like mad at myself watching this because I'm like, why did you use so much foundation? But see, it's like one of those things where it's like, if you pump it out, you got to use it. Otherwise, it's just going to waste. So I had like extra coverage on my face, but look at how nicely, like, you can see the hyperpigmentation in my cheeks, but not after I put this foundation on. And it actually, even though it's a full coverage foundation from Yenza, it is very lightweight on the skin. Like, it feels more like a BB or CC cream, like a tinted face gel. It doesn't feel like in the thickness, it just doesn't feel like a foundation. But look at that coverage, yo. Like, look at, good night. Look at that disrespect. She just walked straight up through my video. She always come and see. That's probably how my mascara got stolen. Not even paying attention. People just be walking in, taking my stuff. Okay, I set my face using Milk setting powder. I'm going to go in and I spray my face with setting spray a number of times before I'm finished. It just really helps to just like, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. I don't even have to, because I don't even know how to explain. I'm just, it does that. So now I'm just going in and blending out that contour. I can't live without contour and highlight, y'all. Like, and you don't even need to put a lot. Like, oh my gosh, when I be going out in public and I see girls that have like mud on their face because they try to do their contour, they're doing it the wrong way. Or when I see that it's like this huge sharp ridiculous line of contour that really doesn't need to be there. I really, like, help me. How do I tell somebody I do makeup and I would love to help you fix yours? Like, that sounds like it would be like a diss. I feel like somebody would be offended, right? They would be offended if I said, hey, I'm a makeup artist, I'd love to do your makeup. Like, because you can't, honestly, okay, I'm not even paying attention to how I'm doing my makeup, but look, I just feel like there's no way to honestly tell somebody that their makeup is not good, because number one, if they're wearing it and they're wearing it outside, they think that it looks good. Now, number two, there are no rules to makeup, but there are some rules to makeup. I mean, you know, do what makes you feel good. Yes. So when I see something and I'm like, that don't look good, it's not because I'm like, it's not because I'm being, I don't know, whatever, insert word here. How do I approach someone and let them know that I would love to help them with their makeup? That's what I need help with. How do I do it without offending them? Y'all, bronzer is like the thing that I have fallen in love with. It gives me such life to my face, and it really, like, it sets my face for me. This Tarte's setting spray, going back to the video, is like my absolute favorite. I just love this stuff. I got it in an MC box a couple of months ago. And excuse me, I've been using it like crazy. Lips, Pixi. This is Pixi lip gloss. If you guys haven't used Pixi lip gloss, get with it because it's really good. And dang, my lips look juicy, if I must say so myself. Look at me. And here's the finished look for you guys. It turns out pretty good. I mean, makeup always starts out a little crazy, but trust the process. You will love it. And here's my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video to see like the whole thing. I do feel like, now that I think about how I did my makeup, I feel like I used a little bit more foundation than I needed, actually, because I don't know if y'all noticed, like when it was blending out, she was blending out. I could have used much less foundation than that, so next time I'm gonna do that, because I don't want to waste my foundation either. It's not rude. You know, foundation is not cheap, and you know, it's good foundation, so I don't want to use too much of it. I've fallen in love again with Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlight. The Master Chrome Highlight is absolutely gorgeous. And here's the thing, like, you can throw highlighter on your face, but it's gonna look powdery and kind of like, you guys probably saw that. Hold on, let me zoom in. You guys probably saw it when I first applied it, as opposed to what it looks like when your own face oil set into it. And then it just looks more like melded together when you use setting spray and then it sits on your face for a little bit. I've been using highlighter all throughout winter because I don't care that the sun's not out. I'm out. I will bring the light. Hello, dear. Oh, did you want to come say hi? She cute. She cute. Why is she so far back? The disrespect. She's so far back. See, you looked all super dark back there. Sorry. The disrespect. You licked it. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click notifications so you know when I upload, because if you don't, you won't know, and then you'll just miss out and you'll have to take a whole day and do marathons of all of my videos. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao. Out near, live, ready to go. Okay, okay.